What's up, you guys? It's Jason from RPM, and we're out here at the beautiful RPM testing grounds with our beautiful Speed UTV, testing our beautifully 304 stainless TIG welded exhaust that we offer for this machine. We've got the chambered muffler, we've got a standard midpipe, and as you can see, we've got an E-Valve midpipe to kind of give you a assemble your own sound style of exhaust. So our midpipe will fit on any of our mufflers, so either midpipe on either muffler. We also offer an E-Valve for the stock muffler. It's gonna sound just like this E-Valve, but when you close it, you're on your stock muffler. It's a great option for those who want loud when they want it and quiet when they want it. So this is our chambered muffler. We have it paired up to our dual carbon tips. When you go to checkout, you have the ability to select what color carbon and what color tip you would like for your Speed UTV. All of these exhausts come with our proprietary heat blanket. This essentially removes the heat shield of the stock turbo. We wrap the hot side only of the turbo as well as a portion of the exhaust, and it keeps all the heat in, off the bed, where it needs to be, and we expel it out the exhaust. So just a nice little treat that we include with our exhaust systems. If you have a Speed UTV with a different exhaust or a factory exhaust and you want our heat blanket, you can purchase it on our website just by itself as well. Listen, we know you guys came here for the sound clips. Let's hit it with the chambered muffler and our E-Valve midpipe. All right, guys, I know we were a little slow on getting this to the market. Speaking of slow, this is our Speed UTV, and these are our exhausts for it.